In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a Ask Me a Question sticker on Instagram and on your story. So basically, when you are following someone and you look at their stories and it says Ask Me a Question, I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly and really easily. So what you're going to want to do is go to your Instagram, go to Add a Story, and just add a story. I'm just going to pick a photo here. And what you can do once you're here, you go up to the top section where you see the stickers. So you click on the stickers, and then you just go and look around and you choose questions. And then that's going to bring up this section here. And this is going to allow anyone that follows you who looks at your story to type in a question. And it's really that simple. You can go in more depth and have a poll or a quiz or anything like that. But if you want specific questions asked to you from people that follow you through your stories, this is the easiest way to do it. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope this helped, and we'll see you guys next time.